Hey guys, so today we are doing noise canceling headphones challenge thingy, but with Disney songs. So the two songs I'm doing are Do You Want to Build a Snowman and How Far I'll Go from Frozen and and Moana. Well, they are from Disney, but anyways, let's get started. First, we're going to start off with Moana, How Far I'll Go. Sorry if I sound like an idiot. Hold on. You may be able to hear it. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to a place I know where I cannot go. What is wrong to be? A light where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. But I find myself on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can live with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along. But the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? The light where the sign meets the sea, it calling thee. One day I knows how deep it goes. And the land like it's calling out to me, so come find me. One day I know. If I'm on that line, will I cross that line? The line is to see and makes to see. It blows me, and no one knows how dark it goes. And the sign of myself on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know. Sorry, I'll go. That was that one. So now let's do you want to build a snowman? So, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, the light's gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish I could tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Don't let them show. Do you want to build a snowman? Like around the halls. I think his company is overdue. I've started talking to the pictures on the wall. Hang in there, Joe. It gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. My computer died. Yeah, my computer messed up. So let's retry that part. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Now here with all your high, you can't change me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. I'm sorry, I had to add that in there. I've been watching you, and now I think of you. I want to be your lady, baby. Well, my computer is totally messed up. So we can't finish I want to build a snowman part, but I added a few funny parts in there, so yeah. Well, anyways, so the question of the day is, what is your favorite song? And if you answer, you might get a shout out in the next video. I don't even know what that was, okay? So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. I just want this video to have one like. Peace for the little baby Wiley. I don't even know what that was. Well, anyways, yeah. Well, peace out.